Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Kmove Dolch keyboard. Now this is a mechanical keyboard from Kmove and has a really cool features. Unboxing the pack, we get a nice pouch. So here we have the accessories that we get with the keyboard: the extra space bar, the keys, the USB Type-C cable and the keycap pullers, user manual, and here is the keyboard. Let us check out the user manual first. The user manual, it is clearly mentioned what the keys do and a lot of other functions, so it's quite nice. This is a detailed user manual. Then we have the details on the standard keyboard mode, so you can just see all the functions here and all other functions that it's written, how to pair the keyboard etc. through software and through the keys. So here we have few other modes: DIY user mode, Mac OS layout mode, layer 3 function definition, lock key, etc. And here also we have special FX and spacebar logic which you can read. So here it says that how to switch the traditional spacebar to multifunctional magic module, and you can just pull the keys, your key puller, and then do it. So for now, as you can see, we have this dual spacebar kind of thing here, but if you just want to replace the one which was given extra, you can do this. The keyboard looks just fantastic. You can see it screams premium at every angle. The keys are nice, the nice sound, you can see the keyboard clicking sound. So it has a very nice sound too, and the feel is really good. The keys are very much tactile, so you get very good feel of a high quality premium mechanical keyboard. So regarding the connectivity, to the top we have the USB Type-C port here, through which you can charge this keyboard or use this keyboard in wired mode. Here we have the keyboard supporting stands on both the sides, and here we have the on-off button and the Windows and Mac switcher. So once you press the function and Z key, you can see that the key will blink in red and green, which means that it's ready to pair. And here you can see that here I can see my DK66 keyboard has been showing up on my Bluetooth options on my PC. Now the same has been connected to the PC and it was quite easy, so I've connected it to my Mac. So these two keys and this key act as a space bar, which is quite good. You can just have both your hands here like this and one hand like this, so you can just, it's pretty easy to type and it's very comfortable too. So here if you see, here's the LED RGB light on this keyboard, although it's not very bright, but it definitely works. So if you want a really bright LED keyboard, then you should look at the KEMOVE Snow Fox, the white color one. I'll leave a link to the video I've made already before, but this is a compact one, and it is not really suitable to work on the night because you can see it's hardly anything is visible. But yeah, you can definitely use it in the daytime, and this works absolutely fantastic, and this has really nice and tactile keys. So that was a really quick video of the Dolch DK66 mechanical keyboard. Now this is a very nice keyboard, very nice to type it on, and the keys are very tactile too. Although the RGB light is not very strong, but if you want something which has a really good RGB light and shows up very well, then you should definitely consider getting the Kmove Snow Fox keyboard. I made a video on the same, I'll share the same with you. Check that out. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this keyboard, I'll make sure to put the link from where you can go and buy it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.